Hey, so I'm going to make some effort slowing down myself and pronounce each syllable of the following words. So the following words all have a ow sound, such as bound, found, hound, lound, mound, noun, pound, round, sound, around. Obviously, wound is a different word. Just trying to see if I can make distinction between this pair of words, such as tongue against tongue, tongue against tongue, crone against clown, drone against drown, groaned against ground, crone against crown, moaned against mound. Okay, so I think some more work is to be done. At least this is the first clip and I got my voice recorded, right?